Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to summon Tesla Model X step by step. Open the Tesla app, unlock, select summon, choose forward or reverse, and confirm your intentions before moving the vehicle. Start in a safe, clear area, keep line of sight, and stand at least 3 meters away while observing. If the car hesitates, check sensors, clear obstacles, and try again calmly. Practice slowly and prioritize safety during each attempt. To prepare, enable summon features and controls, adjust settings for smart summon if available, and allow required permissions. Calibrate sensors by cleaning cameras and ultrasonic areas, and confirm parking brake and gear state. Practice basic forward and reverse summon in an empty lot to learn timings and responses. Note that weather, steep slopes, and crowded areas affect performance, so always remain vigilant and ready to stop the vehicle safely immediately. Quick recommendation: if you like organized gear while practicing car tricks, consider these leak-proof meal prep containers I use. Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They stack well in trunks and are surprisingly handy when commuting to practice spots. If this helped, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more practical tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When you start summon, stand with a clear view and keep the phone button held if required. Watch the car's lights and movement cues and be prepared to tap stop at any sign of trouble. If summon stops unexpectedly, inspect the app for error codes, clear any detected obstructions, and retry from a closer position. Remember that tight spaces may need manual parking and that safety is always the first priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.